Hi, everybody, and welcome to Dr. Sparks' GeoGuessr Online. We're here live in Zoom, and we're going to go over some of those controls just in case you don't know. So let's go down here to the corner. Audio. This means your microphone. We want to be able to hear you, so please leave your microphone on for the whole time. If your microphone has a red bar on it like this, click it so there's no red bar, and we'll be able to hear you again. If your microphone is muted and you can't turn it on, you can always press the space bar. If you hold the space bar down, we'll be able to hear you. If you lift it up, push on it, and we will be able to hear you. All right, that's our audio. Our video, make sure your webcam's turned on. We want to see each of your faces. Please don't turn it off. We can come along over here to the chat room. I'm sure you know where chat is. Please don't be talking with your friends, though. Go on there if you need to pick up the code. When we play GeoGuessr together, you can come up here and click right on there. When you do that, it's just going to open up your screen. If you've already signed in before, you're ready to go. If you've never signed in before, put your name in. Now, we're going to be switching back and forth between GeoGuessr Online and our Zoom. Zoom's always going to stay open, so when it's time to come back for our lesson, just press the minimize button here at the top. It'll hide it down to the bottom, and boom, here we are again. Last thing we need to know is how to answer questions. When we ask you, you can either put up your hand like this, or you can come to the React button down here. Click on there, and you'll see the raise hand function, just like this right up here. When you're done, lower your hand and put it back down. This is how we use Zoom. Let's go check out how to use GeoGuessr.